Today, I'll show you how to use custom roles. With custom roles, you can tailor user permissions to fit your team's unique needs and update and edit rules easily as your organization grows. Here's how it works. First, navigate to your Account Settings, and then Roles. To begin creating a new role, click the Create Role button. Give the role a name and an optional short description. Then select an existing user role as a base to build on top of. So let's say you want to create a user who can create bills but can't send them. You can select the creator role and modify the permissions here. Now define permissions by checking or unchecking the boxes. Now you have a brand new unique role which you can assign to any team member. When you're ready, head to your Account Settings and then the Team Members page to assign custom roles to your team members. Click on the drop-down menu to assign their role. You can edit or rename roles at any time. You'll not be able to delete a custom role if they have any users assigned to it. That's it. With custom roles, empower your team members with the right permissions that fit your organization. To learn more about how Routable can unlock payment automation and scale your payouts from 100 to 100,000, visit us at routable.com.